Need to delete a lot of transactions or lists in QuickBooks Desktop?
Still deleting them one entry at a time? If you have ever tried to fix a bad import or a duplicate sync in QuickBooks Desktop, you already know this flow. Open a journal entry, delete it, confirm, and repeat. It works for a few. It is painful when there are hundreds. QuickBooks Desktop does not really give you one central screen where you can search, filter, and delete groups of entries together. That is where SaasAnt comes in. From here, you can choose almost any kind of data you want to clean up. Journal entries, invoices, bills, checks, deposits, payments, and credit memos. And not just transactions, but lists as well, like customers, vendors, items, employees, accounts, and classes. For this example, we will work with journal entries. Next, you decide how to limit the period you want to work on. You can search by transaction date or by when the journal was created or modified. When I click Search, SaasAnt reads the QuickBooks Desktop file and lists only the journal entries that match the type and date filters. This grid becomes the review area for the data I may want to delete. This is where SaasAnt adds more control. The filters you see next are based on the data type you picked earlier. Because I chose journal entries, I can filter by accounts, names, reference numbers, and other journal entry fields. If I had chosen invoices or bills instead, the filter options would change to match the fields on those transactions. Sometimes your accountant sends over a list of journal entry numbers that need to be cleared. For that, there's a separate screen where you can paste a list of reference numbers and search. Before deleting anything, you can also download the selected journal entries to Excel. If you ever need these entries again, you can import the same file back into QuickBooks Desktop using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. Once I'm happy with the list and I have my backup file, I select the entries I want to remove. I can deselect any that should stay. When I click Delete and Confirm, SaasAnt sends the delete request to QuickBooks Desktop for each selected journal entry. The status updates as they are removed from the file, so I can see the cleanup as it happens.
As with any bulk delete, make sure you have a recent QuickBooks backup. If you want a simpler way to handle larger cleanups, try SaasAnt Transactions Desktop on a copy of your file and see if it fits your workflow.